In today's video, I will show you how to increase the resolution of an image in Photoshop. First, head over to the Image section and then scroll down to Image Size. Now, once this is open, what you're going to want to do is change the resolution. We simply want to increase the resolution from whatever number is onto 3 or 4 times what it is, depending on how bad the current picture is. Then, we also want to change it to preserve details in the Settings menu and reduce the noise if you'd like to. Once this is done, you'll see that your image gets a lot larger, as we can see, and you have to zoom out now. But you'll also notice that it's a lot clearer, and there are a lot more pixels inside the image, which means that the resolution is a lot higher. If you're ever uploading a large image or you're trying to print a canvas photo or a picture, always do this in Photoshop. As we can see here, the problem is solved. There is no longer an issue with the resolution, and you're going to get a high-quality print. Hope you like it, and thank you for watching.